You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this soccer player who plays for the US national team. He also plays in France, I believe, with Monaco. How to pronounce his name, English pronunciation: Folarin, Folarin, stress on the la syllable as you've heard, Folarin Balogun, Balogun, Folarin Balogun, stress on the ba syllable. How to pronounce Folarin Balogun. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.